there, I'm Dr. Kara from KH Evolution, and today I wanted to talk with you about a brand new program that we have created, a 28-day program entirely free to you and all of your friends and all of your family, free to everyone, that really helps to dive into what this spirituality and energy thing is all about. I have been applying spiritual techniques and energy techniques to my life for over a decade now, and working with clients one-on-one and in groups and long-term to help them, as well as myself, shift perspectives to bring this change that we all desire into our lives. You know, we often talk about wanting things to be different. I see posts all over social media about wanting change or wanting something to be over or done or this to shift or that to shift. And, you know, we really need to take action in a different direction if we truly want to create the change that we seek. And if you were anything like me, you might not know how to do that. You know, I wanted certain change in my life. I wanted to be happier and live life from a more relaxed space. And I just didn't know how to get there. And there's all sorts of books and gurus, and I was listening to them all and reading them all. And really what it came down to was taking action. What it came down to was implementing new tools and really working with myself to create what it was that I truly desired. And when I say working with myself, you know, it's a little bit of a stretch, because what we actually want to do is we want to work with the energy. We want to work with the spiritual vibration that surrounds us and that we have access to. And now more than ever on our planet, we have access to this untapped potential and this energy that we don't really know what to do with. And so we've created the Awaken program to really begin to set the foundation, to help you start to shift the way that you think, the way that you perceive the world, and give you certain tools that you can start applying and working with to see if this way of walking the shaman way, of walking in alignment with nature, nature meaning the energy of creation, the energy of all things, is really something that is in alignment with you. And I'm really excited about it because I get to be with you every step of the way. So with these 28 days, what the process is a daily email right in your inbox to help guide you with exactly what you can do that particular day. The big template is we have 4 weeks together, and each week we are going to dive into a different direction on the medicine wheel. So if you're not familiar with the medicine wheel, that's okay, because we're going to dive into it and learn a little bit about it. But the medicine wheel is an ancient template. It's been used by many, many cultures. And the fact that it still stands true today and is still being used today and is applicable today in this vast, fast world of technology speaks volumes to its efficacy, speaks volumes to its ability to really give us something that we can work from to help us create the change that we desire, to help us know ourselves better. Those two pieces alone are going to help us to live in less fear. And so each week we're going to dive into a direction on the medicine wheel. We're going to meet for an hour Zoom at 11 a.m. on Mondays. If this time doesn't work for you, don't worry, because the Zoom will be recorded so you can come back and listen to the lesson later. You get to ask your questions either live with me on that Zoom, or on Thursday evenings, I'll be live again in a Zoom call to answer any of your questions, to talk through things that may come up for you. and give you guidance from Spirit, channeled from Spirit, and also give you guidance about how to implement different tools. And there are so many to use, and we are all so unique. And so finding your way requires a leadership that has gone there before you or is going there with you now and has a sense of understanding around it. And that's what I'm good at, is understanding the energetics of a situation, understanding and hearing the information that Spirit is delivering to provide support, and helping people to understand the spiritual ins and outs of something, the energetics of something, and be able to articulate it to you clearly and easily. So I'm really excited to be able to spend 2 times each week over 4 weeks with you live to help to do this and show up for you. You'll also be getting recorded guided meditations, energy integrations. They're short, they're mini versions of what I typically do, but they are equally as effective, and you'll find them super supportive. In addition, you're going to get journal prompts and affirmations to work with and guidance in how to work with them. You will have different tools that you're going to be able to implement throughout the week so you can start to identify what resonates with you, what works for you. And again, all of this is free, 28 days to really immerse yourself into something new, something exciting, something fun, something that's designed to relax you, help you to dissipate or let go of the fear. And so we're providing the link for you here in the comments. And all you need to do is register. And I look forward to seeing you in this beautiful learning space. We have a community as well that I did not mention, but a full community for you to interact with like-minded people as much or as little as you wish. And yeah, I'm just super grateful that I get to provide this safe, informative, fun, jam-packed space for you to learn and begin your evolution wherever you are. This is not just for beginners, and it's not just for the seasoned practitioners. It's for everyone. And I hope that I'll see you there. Have a great rest of your day wherever you're spending it.